Good afternoon. Got something else to look at today. We got a WEN, W-E-N, 12-inch drill press. Why did I buy it? Why do I buy anything? I like the price. Didn't make me choke. Pretty good price. So let's just get into it. I need to get a new blade and a trusty knife. There we go. Dull knife is dangerous. Look in the box. See what we got. Got a little oopsie here from the UPS man. It's alright. See if we can figure out how to open this bad boy up and see what you get. Got this on Amazon. Right to your door. I know y'all are just can't stand it. Let's see what's in the box. Alright. I probably won't bore you with the installation of all the pieces. That could go on forever. Who wants to watch a long movie? Because we got parts, bags of parts. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Got the instruction manual right on top. Can y'all see that? You got mostly box in the way, but that's alright. Instructions. We got pretty good. Got a base plate. Heavy. I like that. Listen. Y'all hear that? Alright, we got the good heavy duty. No plastic here, guys. No plastic. Jeez, look what we got. What am I supposed to do with styrofoam? Lord have mercy. Oh. Alright. Where do I start? We got more heavy stuff. Here we go. We got the main shaft here. Probably has a name. Let's just call it the main shaft. And right here we got the money part. It's heavy. Look at that. Alright, let me set this down. Let's see. We got more damn styrofoam. Oh, almost forgot this. Got a little box of goodies. And a good box to start some fires. I got a fire started today. Got the wood stove going. Let's just put this anywhere. Got the wood stove going today, man. It's May. Hell, I don't even know what day it is. I've been quarantined for so long. Sometime in May. Had snow falling this morning. Got more snow tonight. Dang Vermont. Alright, we got pieces. Here's the plate. Main shaft. Here's the base. Yeah, I'm glad to see this is more metal than plastic. Let me get organized here and we'll come back. I'm going to hit the button on you. Just like that, we're back. I just thought I'd show you. I unpacked everything. It's really not too bad looking here. Yeah, look at that. We got all the pieces out. Yes, I did open the instruction book. And then we have the main head unit laying over here like a dead fish. Alright, so I'm going to start putting this thing together a little bit. And we're going to flash forward here just like that. So, we got these 4 bolts here to mount this down. Easy cheesy. Not sure, but even a 5/8. No metric here. Let's get this tightened down real quick. Got one more here. Crank them down. One day I'll learn how to edit these videos where I don't have to start and stop it all the time. But you know, who got time for all that mess? Alright, so we got the crank handle. It's got a little set screw. Make sure there's a little special way to do this. There's a little flat side. Ours is on the bottom. Man. Come on. Alright, don't use this one. Use this one. Alright, let me get the handle on there. Oh, oh, oh. Look at her go. I like it. Man. Let's go ahead and put one of these on here. We're going to go from this way. This is your lock for the table. And this is a lock on the back. Thread these in. I can do that righty tighty. Alright. Let's get our table plate. That's one reason I like it. It's got a nice little extension with a roller on it. Tighten this bad boy down there. Sure there's something to tighten that. Or not. Try to really crank on it. Oh yeah, alright. This back one, lock down that. Alright, page 12. Alright. Let's drop this bad boy on top of it. Careful with this, boys and girls, it's pretty heavy. You don't want to go dropping it just yet. Booyah! Man, it's kind of out of your sight, isn't it? Look at this. Way up there. Maybe I can raise you up, but that one, man, this camera adds 10 pounds. Throw this sweatshirt away. Alright, so we got that on there. Now, let me go ahead and pause you out for a second and we'll be right back. Oh, oh! It didn't work. We do this together. This is a chuck. Supposedly, well, hell, it ain't right. You get this up here. And tap that bad boy on, but that shit ain't right. So first you get this piece right here, and we're going to get that up in there. We're going to put that in there like so. We're going to give it a couple taps because, you know, you tap it, right? Alright, get that set up in there like that, and we're going to tap this back. Let's rewind this a little bit. Then we're going to tap this bad boy. Directions say once. What do I do? Just 3 or 4 times? I think it's good. I think it's good. Alright, and you got your handles here. One's shorter than the other. One of these things is not like the other. I'm going to say that the short one goes somewhere else. I'll put it over here. I'm going to put the long ones on this side. Got to thread them down. And this one I'm going to go ahead and put around her. It looks like a good spot. Come on. There we go. Okay. We're going to do that. I'm not sure what that does yet. We'll read that. We'll figure that one out. Man, y'all really like these boring unboxing videos? I said boxing. I meant boxing. Unboxing videos. Yeah. Okay, so that's for removal. That's for that. We got table instructions. We have. Alright, so these little bad boys here, we're going to crank it. Let's crank it up. So this WEN 12-inch drill press, what is it? It's 5 amps. That's not bad. Built in January of 20, so they had it sitting around. Hope it didn't come from China. It's probably got Corona all over it. Let's see. These little wing nuts go up in here. Just like that. That's what stops your table. Man, we're running out of pieces. We have the chuck key right there. I like it, Man, I really can't, look at this. Let's hit it and tighten this thing down. This thing is greasy. They really grease it up. You'll just need to get some little kerosene or something, wipe on there. Get some of this grease off of there. Put this down. Harbor Freight hammer. Man, so that's about got it. Yes. Y'all want to see it turn, huh? We've got a twisty here. You know, one of these days when I figure out how to edit, these videos are going to be quality. They will be quality. Let's see if I get over. Oh, yeah. All right, there we go. Oh man, that's fancy. We got a laser. Here, let me get you guys. All right, so what we got here? There it is. It's all together. So where those handles screwed on, I gotta come back here, give them a little tightening. But yeah, it ain't bad. That thing's pretty heavy. You can adjust the table left to right at an angle, up and down. It's got plenty of travel. This is your motor speed. We got right here, got a light for all that night drilling. And it's got a laser. Man, here, let me grab this piece of wood. Look at that, X marks the spot. Not too bad, not too bad. And it's all, it's digital. Running 1410. You can adjust it. Right here with this lever. What do y'all say we go wide open? Oh, look at her spin. New. So that's it. That's a WEN 12-inch bench top. drill press. New. I like it. I'm gonna get it in his new home and chuck up a bit, and we'll see if we can make some holes. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching again. Always like to show off a little something in the shop every once in a while. So, you know, working on things here. So, you know the drill. Subscribe here. Give me some help. I need some love. Let's build up the most boring YouTube channel on TV. All right. Hey, thanks a lot, guys. Y'all have a good evening. Peace out.